Let's finish this one then. In a recent sports survey, it was found that 120 people enjoy watching cricket only. This is very important. This word only. Now we know only from our previous example to say which when we speak about only, we're speaking about this part again. We don't touch the part of the intersection. Yes. So when we speak about only, we're going to be concentrating only on this part.
Yes.
And then they say 95 people enjoy watching rugby. Again, yes, the only. You see the only. And then they say 95 people enjoy watching rugby. 45 enjoy watching both sports. So what is both sport? Both sport is going to be the intersection. Now let's start with the intersection. We're going to start by putting things on the intersection. They say we have people who enjoy watching cricket, so we'll represent that one with C. We have people who enjoy watching rugby, we'll represent that one with R. Yeah. And then where are we going to start? We're going to start in the middle. How many people enjoy both rugby and cricket? It's 45. And then we have people who don't enjoy neither. How many people don't enjoy any of the sports?
40.
We have 40 people who don't enjoy any of these. Now they said 120 people enjoy cricket. Okay? So 120 will come and write 120 here. It means all these people here, they're going to be enjoying cricket. But if they said they enjoy cricket, they didn't say cricket only. We're going to say 120 minus 45 because we've already counted the 45. How many enjoy rugby? 95 enjoy rugby only. Okay? So we're going to come and put 95 here. Now, the question then that follows is then, how many people did we have so that we can put our sample space here? Number of people that we had. How many do we have? We have 120 okay? Plus 45 plus 95 plus 40. What you get? So the total number of people, it was what? It was 300. So this is going to be our sample space. Now, on number one, they said we should draw the Venn diagram and then we get 1, 2, 3, 4. How many people watch cricket in total? Now, there's a difference between people who watch cricket and people who watch cricket only. Those two things are different. Okay? 120 people enjoy watching cricket only. How many people enjoy to watch cricket in total? We're going to concentrate on the blue color. Okay? How many do we have in the blue color all in all? So people who enjoy cricket, they didn't say cricket only, they said cricket. So this one, we expect it to be what? To be 165. How many people watch rugby in total? How many people watch rugby in total? 40. This is going to be 140. You get 1 mark here. You also get 1 mark here. How many people were there in the survey? How many people were there? So here we're going to tell them which we have 300. Then we start to talk about probability. Okay? Determine the probability that a person selected watches both sport. That a person selected watches both sport. How many people watch both sports?
45.
It's 45. So the probability that they watch both. The probability that they watch both is going to be given as 45 all over 300. And then what you get as a simplified answer?
3 all over 20.
It's 3 all over 20. Yeah, this one will give you 1, 2. Sorry. Number 6. Determine the probability that a person selected watches none of the sports. How many people watch none of the sports? There are 40 people. Okay? Then the probability that someone watches none of the sports is going to be 40 all over what? All over 300. 1 mark for this. What is the